Hi guys, welcome to our channel BPO Coder. Today we are going to see how to create a volume high-low close chart in VBA Excel. For that, if you are visiting this channel for the first time, please do subscribe, like and share with your family and friends to gain and share the knowledge. So let's get back to our topic. So today we are going to see how to create a volume high-low close chart in VBA Excel. Now, to create that chart, we require a certain data, and I will show you what type of data we want and how it has to be structured. Now, to create this data, you need date, volume, high, low, and close numbers. So this is the structure, and this is how you have to align your data for creating this volume high low close chart in VBA Excel. Now let's see the output of our code, how our chart will look by creating a high low volume high low close chart in VBA Excel. And this is our output of our code in VBA Excel. This is how our chart will look like after creating the code and assigning it to the macro button. So let's dive into it and see how the code looks like and how we can code it to create this type of chart. So let's dive into our VBA editor. So now we are into our VBA editor, and this is our entire code to create a volume high-low close chart in VBA Excel. Now we are going to see what are the codes which we require to create a volume high-low close chart in VBA Excel. So we will start by creating a sub procedure by naming create stock volume high low close chart, and the first step we have to do is we have to select a cell inside our data range. So this is my data range. So my data starts from C4 to G14, and inside this data I have to select a cell, a single cell. Then after that I have to write this command to create a blank chart. Now the command is activesheet.shapes.add to chart, add chart 2. Now inside this we have to give some parameters which will help us to create the volume high low chart. So for that, the first parameter is the value of our chart. So each and every chart has a different value to create. So first we have to give the value of our chart inside this parameter. After that we have to mention that what kind of chart we are creating. So we are creating Excel stock VHLC chart. So VHLC is the short form of volume high low close chart. After that we have to define that what should be our chart height and what should be our chart width, where we have to keep our chart and at what position we are positioning our chart by using left and top. After that we are selecting our chart. Now once we select our chart, we are going to use the width statement, and you can say nested with statement, to create this kind of chart. So first we will do with active chart. So once you have selected the chart, this selected chart will become our active chart. Now inside it we have to set some elements and some data sources, including the chart title and axis. After that we will be formatting our title to look good in this way, to present it to our bosses or in any of the meetings for a better presentation. So right now what we are going to do is we are going to set our source data by using dot set source data method, and then we will give the source of our data. So source of the data is nothing but our range of our data, and then we will set the element to remove the grid lines from our chart to look good and present it well. Then we will set using dot set element method, and what we will be doing is we will be showing the data labels which are present in our chart over here, as you can see. So we will first remove the grid lines, then we will add a data label to our data chart, and then we will show the data table. As you can see below that we have also added a data table into our chart. Then we will set our up and down bars. As you can see, the black bars are appearing in our chart. So these are called the up and down bars. To set that, we will say dot set element MSO element up down bar show. So this will create this one, the bars inside our chart. Next, what we will be doing is we will be renaming our chart title. So to set the chart title, we will first select this chart title. Then what we will be doing is we will first add the text to our chart title. So this will become dot chart title dot text equal to our name of our chart, which is high low close chart in VBA. Then we will, so this is the repetition. If you want, you can skip this part. So this is the grid lines, deleting the grid lines command over here. And as you can see here, this is deleting the grid lines. And after doing it, what we will be doing is we will format our title inside the chart. So how we will be doing is, as you see, we are creating another with statement inside our with statement, which is the nested with. Now to format our chart title, what we will be doing is we will say with selection dot format dot text frame dot text range dot characters. This means this will take care of the characters, the alphabets inside our chart. And then what it will be do is it will give the text to our title. It will set the title, then dot paragraph format dot text direction equal to ms or text direction. So this will set our text direction from left to right, and then paragraph format dot alignment will align our text in center. So MSO align center will help us to keep our chart aligned in the center. Then dot font dot bold and dot font dot italic will help our chart title to bold and italic. Now, after you this operation with your title, the next step we will take is we will close the format object bar. So to close the format object bar, we will use application dot command bars format object dot visible equal to false. Then to deselect our chart, we will be select a blank cell in our Excel, and this is how you will be creating your volume high-low close chart in VBA Excel. That's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you like this video, please do subscribe, share and like with your friends and family for more videos. And if you have any doubts or you want any explanation of this video, please do comment. Have a great day. Bye. Many thanks from BPO Coder.